Guys, today we're diving into the world of smartwatches, but this isn't just any smartwatch review. No, today we're focusing on affordability and functionality. So if you've been searching for a smartwatch that won't break the bank, but still delivers on features, then you're in the right place. Join me as we explore the Anyloop Watch Mini and uncover why it's becoming a favourite amongst budget-conscious consumers. So stick around and I'll be right back. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Anyloop Watch Mini. Now, I had the pleasure of reviewing the larger version of this, and I'll leave a card up here if you want to see that video. Now, if you don't know Anyloop, well, they have been gaining attention to their commitment to delivering quality smartwatches at an affordable price with a wide range of features and compatibility with both Android and iOS devices. Anyloop is setting a new standard for budget-friendly wearables. Now, before we get into it guys, Anyloop sent me this Watch Mini to review for my honest opinion. And you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we have some paperwork. We have a proprietary USB charging cable. I mean, that's a little bit frustrating, but very common with these types of smartwatch. And then guys, we have the watch itself. Now, first thoughts is this is pretty sleek and light. It has a really comfortable soft rubber strap, and you know what? It looks pretty good. Now guys, getting this set up is pretty easy. Just press the side button to power on. Once powered on, swipe up for a QR code and scan it with the Anyloop app on your smartphone. Setup is straightforward regardless of whether you're team iPhone or Android. And once you're set up, it's time to dive into all the features of the Anyloop Watch Mini, from tracking your steps and monitoring your heart rate to receiving notifications and playing music. This watch does it all. With the Anyloop app, you can customize your watch faces, set up message notifications and track your fitness goals all with ease. Plus, the watch boasts a variety of additional features including blood oxygen monitoring, air pressure tracking and even remote camera control. And guys, in terms of performance, the Anyloop Watch Mini delivers on all fronts. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through the various menus and functions. Whether you're checking your heart rate during a workout, scrolling through notifications on the go, the watch responds quickly and accurately. Plus, with a long-lasting battery, you can wear the Anyloop Watch Mini all day without having to worry about running out of juice. So guys, there you have it. The Anyloop Watch Mini is a true gem in the world of wearable technology. With its affordable price tag, extensive feature set and sleek design, it's the perfect companion for anybody looking to stay connected and on top of their health. And guys, at only £35.99 at the time of this video going live, you're not going to break the bank or worry about having an expensive alternative on your wrist, no matter how aggressive your day is. I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Anyloop for sending me this rather good smartwatch to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.